Hello my dear children, welcome to our classroom. I hope all of you guys are doing amazing. So today we are here to learn something about tenses. We have already discussed a little bit about tenses, right, in a short video. I hope you guys are watched already those videos. I mean, it was a short video and I was just discussing with you like what is this tense actually. It is just like a time, right? We already talk about that one. Yes, it is. I told you tense is time. How can be tense a time? How can be tense is a time? Of course, because it's all about verb. By the way, what is verb? Tell me what is verb. Verb is like the actions, all the action that we are doing, we have done, we did, whatever, it is all verb. I'm talking to you right now. I'm writing, I'm walking, I'm jumping, I'm singing, I'm doing everything. So all of these everything stuffs is verb. So an action word which is verb. So we just learned what is verb. Okay, good. So this tense is related to verb. This tense is related to verb and the verb is related to time, right? Are you agree with me? Yes, of course, because see, right now I'm talking to you, right? And you guys are listening me or watching me. So there is an action is going on and which is right now, which is going on and it is in the present moment, right? So that's why I told you the tense is related to time because each action is happening in a time. Okay, so you got it, the point? Okay, very good. And today in this session, what we are going to discuss about is in a formal way, what are the basic three types of sentence and what are the contexts that we can use this sentence and how we can form a simple sentence in these type tendencies. In this type of tenses. These are the things that we are going to discuss today. So are you ready? Very good. I love it. Okay, let's begin then. So as I said, we have three basic types of sentence. We have three basic type of sentence. I'm sorry, why I'm telling you guys sentence? It is tense. Okay, so we have three types of tenses. Okay, and those are simple present, past tense, future tense. I can say in like simple present, simple past, simple future is the same thing because this is the first basic step. So of course it will be simple, right? Yes. So simple present or present tense, past tense, future tense. These are the basic tense. Okay. And in English grammar, tense is very, very important. Why it is very, very important? Because it's the base. If you construct a house, the base of the house should be very, very strong and concreted, right? I don't know how to say that one. Anyway, same like in a language, especially we are going to learn a language in a formal way for our examination, for our professional stuffs. We need to know it from the basic. That's why we have started today with tenses. So as I told you, we have three types of tense. Simple, present tense, past tense, future tense. There is no argument on it. Now we are going to see what is present tense, what is future tense and what is past tense. Okay, again I would love to invite all of your attention to the short video that I have done. I will just give you a brief about that one. I told in that video present tense, which is like today, and past tense is like yesterday, and future tense is like tomorrow when we talk about time and tense together. Okay, so present tense I told you today. So that means all the action happening at the moment, which is present tense. Read, walk, see, like these tenses. Words which is present tense. So I can say simply the first form of the verb. The first form of the verb, it is present tense. Got it? Okay, good. And then past tense. Past tense, I told you, which if you think about past tense, you have to bring the word yesterday, which means whatever you did, it's done already and you did it on yesterday. So the action done yesterday, not today or is not tomorrow. So that is past. So whatever you have done already, that is past tense. So the action you completed, which is past tense. Got it? Very good. So present tense, today, the actions, the verbs today, first form of the verb. And then past tense, you've done it. Yesterday you completed it. So that one, second form of the verb, which is past tense. And then future tense. Future tense means, of course, future, right? Future, when we hear about future, it's like something is going to happen tomorrow or after tomorrow. So it's not yet completed or it's not yet happened. So that is future. So of course, future tense means the action is going to happen. It will happen. So always when you hear future, it's tomorrow. So we have to add something there, which is will or shall. So we are going to, now we are just moving to the format. Come on. Simple present tense or present tense. Very simple. Subject. We should have subject, right? Yes. And the subject plus verb. Just the basic form of the verb. Subject plus verb, and you can add whatever you want to convey in the message. So as an example, I said I said Jack. Jack. And then verb. I have to add any action word, that is verb, okay? So what should I add here? Jack sing. But you know guys, I really want to add one point here. Jack sing. There is a mistake. You know what? Because Jack is a one person. It's a singular subject. So I have to add here s. Then only it will be correct. So Jack sings. Jack sings, and I can say a song, or Jack sings well, Jack sings very well, Jack sings old song, something like anything that you want to add there. So the most important point here is this is the verb, and I just use first form of the verb, and I use here as because Jack is singular subject. So this is a subject verb agreement topic, which is also one of the very important topic and a very simple small topic. Maybe I can do it for you separately, so just ignore about that one. Okay, now present tense, you use, what will you use? We use subject plus first form of the verb, which is Jack sings a song. And now past tense. So as I said, you remember right now, we will use second form of the verb because the action did already, right? So here again, Jack sings, and then here Jack sing. The past tense of sing is sang. Jack sang a song yesterday on the program, or Jack sang a song. Jack already completed the action completed, and it happened on yesterday, okay? So or before yesterday or last week. So Jack sang an old song, okay, so you got it. So subject plus V2, that is past tense. So now we will talk about future tense. Future tense is again, you know, there is subject, and as I said, we should have either will or shall, okay? We should use after the subject either will or shall, okay? Don't use both, of course. I know you are not going to use that one. Anyway, will. So for example, Jack will sing that song. So tomorrow we are going to have a party, okay, a birthday party, and then I'm telling to my friend, you know, Jack will sing that song tomorrow. Okay, so I used, so this is the context because I want to convey something which is going to happen tomorrow or after tomorrow somewhere. And then I can say like this, you know, Jack will sing that song tomorrow. So this is the context where we use what? Future tense. And when we talk about past tense, yeah, like, you know, you are just telling to your friend that something happened yesterday when we were in the birthday party, and it was like, you know, Jack sang that song. Do you know Jack sang that song? So Jack did it. Okay, that is past tense. So where we use past tense, something action which is done already. And then simple present, you're telling something like, you know, common statement, or, you know, Jack, you know, Jack, which Jack? You know, my friend Jack. Oh yeah, I know your friend Jack. You know, he sings very well. So this is just a fact about Jack, right? A common thing about Jack. So in that kind of context, we use simple present tense. You got it? So this is a very simple explanation I hope I touched all important parts. So this is what you just need to know about tenses from the beginning, okay? And try to understand very well by watching the videos slowly and try to get some notes with you. Then it will be more helpful for you. And also the next video we will go a little bit more elaborately with little bit more examples, okay? This is what I'm thinking. Okay, so let's wind up today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you have any doubts or comments, please let me know, and if you like it, please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and this is Sameera signing out now. Bye bye.